Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with day 2 of the December Daily with Cara Brandon. And day 2, whoops, well, I lost that one. And day 2 is wish list. Does your family have a wish list? Write it down. Write down some of the items on their list. Okay, let me see here. Let me get a paper and a pen. And this is not a to-do list, it's wish list. Okay. And I am not sure of what most of them want, but I know that my granddaughter would want toys. Um, they want gift cards. Well, I can't spell today, apparently. So we have toys, gift cards, um, hmm, clothes, games. What else? I don't know. Toys, gift cards, clothes, games. Hmm. I don't know. That's all I can think of. So, no, computer, tablet, headphones, money, meaning cash. That's it. That's all I can think of. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. Oh, phone. Hmm. It keeps popping in. So, please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. And always remember, you're here where everything is made with love in every stitch. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Please be blessed, be kind, be safe, be crafty. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.